International scholarship they will want for give from Freetown to from Rokupuria to Freetown and from Freetown maybe to Accra, Ghana on the hospital of NEO organization who will be the Secretary General, which is the Initiative for International Model United Nations, IIMUN. I'm based in Freetown. Normally we give scholarship them for making them travel across the world and go represent their home countries. Then they also my project all day partner with IMUN or make it for uplift we young brothers and sisters then at the community. So with regards to that, we're not go able say for finance all them projects in that, most especially the Robaran community project. Wherein if you all go in that hospital, you see the status of that hospital, nobody no go glad you for make yourself for make the admit again. That community center they will only get one. Okay, the community health center Rokupo. So now one bed now we meet here. We felt hard based on we on small connection we will get. We will donate a material we worth close to almost 20-25 million at our hospital lane. We don't want tap day. We don't take a survey of all the hospitals. Waiting we need for do. We not go can pronounce here, but we'll get good things for make we do another community hospital lane. And also the project that we will get, we get the inside April we get we competition, getting quiz competition for all the secondary school in Cambia district. Most of the time people they call me, they say if ropes and Rokupu no more they focus on. Now say no, we spread your hand cut across the district. So this year, next year April, we'll get for organize for event on our main event with Sabu for this soya. We'll get for extend we answer na Cambia, Mambolo and all the other villages around in the district. So with regards to that, the Pambule, the big one, the wedding and the item, we're not going to do this without my own support. We need our support. We allow our support Rupsa. Them money that all over the make na not to put out the go put them. We cut them back na Rokupu for can support development of Rokupu. So since we take up the mantle of leadership na Rupsa, you know, the former president Ronald Alkama don't do a great for this Rupsa. If Rupsa did today, na base now I mean the acting president for Rupsa, and Alkama is still there with me. Now we brother, and you ready for support Rupsa. So with regards to that, now it don't reach a point where we say some of them they can't graduate, but work no they will all know now what it is. Work no they it. Believe me, if Rupsa member, time we go for camp, if Rupsa member will all long graduate. You know, we tax everybody so far based on what they pay you. If you pay 20 or 10% to Rupsa Kofa. So with regards to that, we want the big one them project that we don't name. But make una self give una own commitment to Rupsa say if not 10,000, 15,000, 30,000 or 100,000, 1 million, 2 million, 15 million set again. So okay, this now Rupsa will give una love for the community, for the development of the community. This will able help we also. Una only accountable. All the president of Rupsa, if una give money, we take we not use that for the right way for the development of the community. Una only accountable. I'm man of my words. Anything was in Rupsa, I mean am. And are ready for make a push on this community. So I ask the big one then at the high table for make una able help me make some pledges or donation to Rupsa for make we go to support where activities them who want to for undergo. This is not a one man business. This is all business. If the some fine, now all. If them the small one they learn, now all the benefits. Now Rokupu Cambia district as a whole, and Rokupu don't produce so many students them from surrounding universities in the country. So I beg you, we need donations and pledges from now. I beg you, thank you very much, sir.